Looking for a budget-friendly Android tablet that delivers fantastic performance and features? Look no further than the Oukitel OT5. This surprisingly powerful tablet offers a large, vibrant display, snappy performance, and a huge battery for a price that won't make your wallet cry. Let's start with the star of the show, that gorgeous 12-inch 2K display. Colors pop, details are sharp, and the size is perfect for everything from enjoying movies to getting work done. Plus, it's TV certified for low blue light emission, so those long binge-watching sessions won't leave your eyes feeling strained. Under the hood, the OT5 packs a MediaTek Helio G99 processor and a whopping 12 GB of RAM, expandable to a staggering 36 GB with virtual RAM. No more frustrating lags or stutters here. Even demanding games and multitasking are a breeze. Worried about running out of juice? Don't be! The monster 11,000 mAh battery promises hours and hours of uninterrupted usage. We're talking a full day or more on a single charge, perfect for those long commutes or travels. If you want incredible value, the Oukitel OT5 tablet truly delivers. From its beautiful display to capable performance and long-lasting battery, it punches way above its weight class. Highly recommended for anyone looking to upgrade their tablet experience without breaking the bank. Want to learn more or grab your own OT5? Click the link in the description below. Let me know your thoughts on the Oukitel OT5 tablet in the comments. Thanks for watching.